Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I'm in Las Vegas and I'm going to be your tour guide today, and we're going to go explore Paris. This video is going to be about our one-night stay at the resort and in the very beautiful Imperial Suite. Paris is a Caesars resort and is located mid-strip in an excellent location. This video was filmed early September 2024. I'm traveling today with my daughters Skye and Star. In this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you our suite, what we did, where we ate, where Paris is located, all that kind of good stuff. This portion of the video was filmed very early in the morning. Paris is typically a very active hotel, but it is so visually appealing. I really wanted to go out early and capture how pretty it is. I am visiting Las Vegas for 17 days, most of it solo. This is day 16. My daughters came in from Connecticut to visit me. Wasn't planning on coming to Paris, but I figured they would really love it here. So here we are. Because it is after Labor Day, the rates were really cheap. I booked a rate right on the Caesars app for $20. That rate does not include the tax or the resort fee. That was the rate for the cheapest room, probably no view, but I'm really thinking I really want to do something special with my daughters. So I'm going to go to the front desk and I'm going to see what kind of rates I could get for a suite. We arrived around 4 o'clock. There was a very long line, but it moved pretty quickly. We needed a room with 2 queens, and they were able to accommodate us on the top floor. This is my daughter Skye's first time staying at Paris, and my daughter Star's first time in Las Vegas, so we're really excited at this point. Even the elevators are pretty. Again, very early in the morning. Up until recently, these were the only elevators that you could use when you were staying at Paris, but they do have a new tower now called Versailles. We are staying today on the top floor, floor 33. Unless you're staying at the Versailles Tower, this is where the entrance to the elevators would be. There are 3 different sets of elevators for different floor levels. Our elevator started at floor 26. Paris has a lot of different legs. When you get out of the elevator, it's sort of like a circle, and you could go down that quarter, or that one. We just cannot find our room. Our room number is not on any of these. Depending on where your room is in Paris, your view can be a lot different. We found our room. It was right in the circle. It was like right there. We didn't even see it. Come check it out with us. This is our first impressions. We have not come in yet. We got some lights on. This is great.
Oh my god. This is pretty good. Come on in.
Okay. You ready? Okay, I got that big heavy door. Oh, the door is heavy. I'm so happy.
It might be a little too small. I don't know if it's big enough.
Oh my gosh. This is beautiful. This is a princess room.
This is a princess room.
Oh my gosh.
Oh god, the windows are gigantic.
With no Eiffel Tower view, but we have this view, which is amazing.
Oh, you're mean.
That's mean.
That is just
You can't eat this stuff in the snack bar.
Yeah.
You can, but it's going to cost you a lot.
Do you see this?
Look at this.
That's a TV.
This is incredible. Who even wants to go out, right? It's like got to be on both sides. Oh no, it's only on one side. You could pop up the TV by accessing the remote control and turning it on. There is only one side, but it does turn. They do have apps too. You could watch YouTube. You could watch my videos if you want and learn more about Paris and Las Vegas. Look, there are 2 bathrooms. This suite was about 800 square feet. The 2 bathrooms made it really nice, especially with 3 of us girls trying to get ready. The extra space was awesome. This bathroom had a shower, no tub, but had a toilet, sink, and this bathroom here, same thing, except there was no shower, but it had a big jacuzzi. Price-wise for me, this suite was an extra $150 on top of the $20 on top of the resort fee. Obviously, that price is going to vary greatly. Sometimes you can't even get your hands on the suites on busy weekends and holidays. But this was after the holiday. It's a great time to travel after Labor Day, for sure. There was not any conventions or any at all. Kids are going back to school. The prices plummet just for a few days. Then the conventions come back and the prices go up right again. Early September is still very hot. We had temperatures that were almost 110 degrees. It's a great time to come to Las Vegas if you enjoy pools and swimming. The pools do close pretty early, though. I believe in Paris they were closed at 6 o'clock. Coming up this evening, we're going to be going to Vanderpump for dinner. I'm going to be taking you for a little walk around Paris and show you what other resorts are around there, and then we're going to be going to the Eiffel Tower restaurant for dessert. This hot tub was wonderful. None of us actually got to use it, but we all sat around it and soaked our feet. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informational or helpful or entertaining, can you do me a favor and please hit that like button, illuminate that. It costs nothing, but it would really help my channel and I'd really appreciate it. Thank you very much. And for more video tours about Paris and other resorts in Las Vegas, including suites, please consider subscribing to my channel. I make these tours, quite frankly, because I could talk about Las Vegas all day, and I really like to help other people make better plans about their trips. Is Paris right for you? You tell me. Everybody likes something different. I like it here. A lot of people do, but some people hate it. We all have different tastes and expectations. The water pressure was great, and we had hot water. In my experience, the end corner rooms of Paris could sometimes struggle with the hot water. End result here is I really liked the room. The beds were, we had 2 queens. They were comfortable. They were fine. They weren't great, but the rest of the room was really fine. It was in really good shape. Paris is just one of those hotels. One room could be immaculate and the other room could be really bad. All of the suites I've had were really nice though. But if you really want something remodeled, stay at the Versailles Tower. That's remodeled. It's really new. It's a little farther of a walk, but you're going to find a really clean remodeled room there. For dinner, we decided to dine at Vanderpump Paris. Again, this was super early in the morning. I wanted to get a video because this place is gorgeous. A beautiful place to come with friends or on a date or even by yourself. I've come here by myself and sat at the bar. It's lovely. I also dined here alone earlier in the week when I was visiting the Eiffel Tower. I'll have a video tour of that whole day coming up very soon. Come join me in Skye and Star. We're going to go downstairs and check out Vanderpump. Even though it wasn't a very busy time at the hotel, the place was packed, so we did make reservations prior to going in. We were able to get a table, but it was very close to the bar area. Visually, Vanderpump is very stunning. Great lighting for selfies. We started with the brie and truffle stuffed baguette. That was so good. I love that. This is the French onion mac and cheese. And we also got, my daughter Skye's a vegetarian and she ordered the Impossible burgers, but it was like in a stuffed pastry. It's a little pricey, but it's a great experience. But everything in Vegas is expensive. And the silverware was beautiful. Now we're going to take a walk outside. My youngest daughter, Star, has never been here, like I said before, so I really want her to see what it looks like at twilight at Vegas. This is the best time to be out when everything's getting dark and the lights are starting to go on. It's really cool. Don't miss that. Another bonus about Paris, it's right across the street from the Bellagio fountains. Some rooms even have a view. Okay, location-wise, to the left-hand side, you're going to find Planet Hollywood, Aria, Cosmopolitan. Directly across Las Vegas Boulevard is the beautiful Bellagio. That's one of my favorites. You're going to have Caesars. On the other side of Paris, you're going to find Horseshoe, Cromwell, Flamingo. You're in a great neighborhood over here. Getting around the Strip is pretty easy. Most people walk, but there's Ubers, taxis, lifts. There's buses, there's these escalators when they're working that will take you up to these pedestrian walkways that will take you across Las Vegas Boulevard. We are currently now trying to walk to Caesars. But the walk is very entertaining. There's all kinds of street performers. This guy was amazing. There's the showgirls, the Mickey Mouses. There's going to be always somebody approaching you. If you don't want to talk to anybody, just keep walking and say no thank you. It's very bright and very well patrolled and monitored. There's a lot of tourists. I've never felt unsafe. Now it's time for dessert. I'm taking the girls on the Eiffel Tower. We're going to the Eiffel Tower restaurant to go sit at the bar and have dessert. My youngest daughter, Star, ordered, I think it was an espresso martini or a chocolate martini. If you're interested in the restaurants at Paris, I have a whole video. I stayed here, I think, 4 or 5 nights with my husband, and we dined at all the restaurants. I have a separate video of that. I'll leave that video at the end of this playlist labeled Paris, Las Vegas. That chocolate souffle is a winner. We're going to enjoy the rest of the evening back at our suite, watch some TV, and hang out and just enjoy being together in Las Vegas. Good morning. It's bright and early. My girls are sleeping. I'm going to go slide out. I'm going to show you guys what is open in the morning. If you want to dine early in the morning, let's say you have a flight or you're someone crazy like me that likes to get up early, we're going to go see what is open for breakfast. Just like before it gets dark, before it gets light is such an amazing time. The colors are just so beautiful. You could sit here and just watch all the lights start to go off and the sun's coming up. It's gorgeous. Don't miss it. This room location was wonderful. It was so quiet over here. First restaurant I saw open early in the morning was Alexxas Kitchen and Bar that has inside and outside dining. This is a great place to go for brunch. Also open very early is Mon Ami Gabi. I would suggest going early or getting your reservation. It's very popular. Cafe Belle is open in the morning too for coffee and a light breakfast. Cafe Americano is open 24 hours a day. They also have one of these at Caesars. Hey now, I don't know what's going on, but the boulangerie, the bakery, I can never say that word, that is currently closed. It looks like something new is coming in here. This is in the walkway that is in between Paris and the Horseshoe. I'm actually walking down to Horseshoe to go gamble because I prefer their casino more than Paris. It's the only thing I don't really care for in Paris. Okay, now I'm going to step outside and show you a little bit of the pool area. One thing I have to mention, it may be good or it may be bad. And it may be because of the season, but there was like no sun here early in the morning. I thought that would be important information for those of you that are planning to come here for a tan. Gonna spend the rest of the morning in the beautiful suite. I asked for a late checkout. If you want to check out late in Paris, there is an additional fee. Now I'm gonna take my daughters and you guys out for brunch. The girls decided that they wanted to go to Alexxas. Like I mentioned before, Alexxas has inside and outside dining. You could dine right on the strip, but it's really hot today, so we decided to eat inside. This place is enormous. There's so many different rooms and different areas you can sit in. I've never dined in the same place twice. This has a consistent brunch menu, which is really nice. You could get breakfast items any time of the day. It is also very popular for the bottomless drink options, mimosas, Bloody Marys, and such. If you are still hanging with me, you are a total rock star. I would like to thank all of my new subscribers and people that have been subscribed. And even if you aren't subscribed and you just watch my videos, thank you very much. Because of you guys watching my videos, I'm able to do this and it makes me very happy. And I really appreciate you. We're going to go take a peek outside. I want to show you what it looks like out there. I love hearing from you guys. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching me from. And feel free to share with me your experience here at Paris. We ordered a lot of food, way too much. This is the banana nut bread, which was an appetizer, was really good. My daughter got the eggs Benedict, it had like real whole potatoes. My other daughter got the bagel with lox, but she doesn't eat fish, so she just got the bagel with all the other goodies. She really enjoyed it though. This monstrosity here, that was a breakfast burrito with guacamole. It was really good, oversized, really big. Oh, big portions here, guys. We really had a nice time and we had a really great adventure at Paris and Las Vegas. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more videos like this one, I'm going to leave some playlists right here for you. Just click on the playlist. It'll bring you right to my other videos. But whatever you do, make sure you book that trip and you pack your bags and you go. Las Vegas is awesome and you deserve to be here. Be well to yourself and be kind to others. Safe travels to you and good luck in the casinos.